Hello dear student, I am Varun Nishad from LPM Public School. In this video, we are discussed about the questions that give an example of each. Give an example of each. That is aerosol, salt, solution. What is the example of this aerosol? And example of this aerosol example is cloud, and it is sulfur chloride. Sulfur chloride of sulfur or sulfur plus water. Sulfur plus water, and solution here is a sugar plus water, and in this cloud there is a liquid disposed in air. Liquid dispersed in air means that cloud का जो फॉर्मेशन होता है उसमें वाटर ड्रॉपलेट सस्पेंडेड डिस्पर्स्ड होती हैं, स्प्रेड होती हैं किसमें, एयर में, उसको बोलते हैं क्लाउड. तो लिक्विड जो है वो आपका सॉल्यूट की तरह वर्क कर रहा है और जो एयर है ये सॉल्वेंट की तरह वर्क कर रहा है. जो एयर की क्वांटिटी है वो मैक्सिमम है और यहाँ पे लिक्विड की क्वांटिटी है वो मिनिमम है. और यहाँ पे सल्फर सॉल्ट का एग्जांपल है सल्फर प्लस वाटर, दैट इज सल्फर इज एक्ट एज सॉलिड सॉल्यूट, दैट इज कॉल्ड सॉलिड डिस्पर्स्ड फेज, एंड हियर इज अ वाटर एंड इट इज अ liquid dispersed phase, and that is called salt. Solution as well, sugar plus water. Sugar is solute and water is solvent. Now another question, that is which one of the following will exhibit the Tyndall effect? So here is which solution or which mixture is exhibit the Tyndall effect. So when you take the container of this or mixture one by one, that is salt solution. If you pass the task light or source of light through the salt solution, there is no Tyndall effect has been observed because it is a true solution. So no Tyndall effect. No Tyndall effect. In case of milk is a colloidal solution. It is a colloidal solution and it exhibit Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect. Copper sulfate solution. Sulfate solution. When you add in test tube the copper sulfate crystal, that is CuSO4, and water, it form blue color solution. Blue color solution, and you will observe it is a permanent solution. permanent mixture like salt solution, but when you try to pass them through light through this copper sulfate solution, there is no scattering of light, so it did not, no Tyndall effect, no Tyndall effect. The stars, there is it exhibit Tyndall effect. Exhibit Tyndall effect. So in this way, we can observe that it is a colloidal solution. Colloidal solution. It is also colloidal solution. So next question: what happens? Question is that rainwater stored in a tank. Rainwater stored in a tank contains sand grains, contains sand grain, contains sand grains, unfiltrable clay particles, unfiltrable clay particles, calcium carbonate, salt, piece of paper, and some air bubbles, select from amongst these an example of each of a solvent solute, colloid and suspended particles. Answer. So dear student, here is the question. The rainwater stored in a tank contains sand grains, unfiltrable clay particles, calcium carbonate, suppose chalk type material, calcium carbonate, and salt piece of paper, some air bubbles. Select from amongst, इन सब में से select करना है. These an example of each or solvent, solute, colloids and suspended particles. How will you identify that? Let us take that the rainwater contain, first of all, in this contain the water is solvent. Water is solvent. Solvent तो हो गया. नेक्स्ट सॉल्यूट. तो सॉल्यूट कौन होगा इसमें? सॉल्यूट विल बी कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट सॉल्यूट नहीं होगा, क्ले पार्टिकल्स नहीं होगा, सैंड ग्रेन्स भी नहीं होगा, अमॉन्ग्स देम एयर बबल्स भी सॉल्यूट नहीं होगा. सॉल्यूट इसमें कोई नहीं होगा. piece of paper will be solved. One of the important, that is solute. Solute is salt. And now colloidal particles A or colloidal particles colloids is unfiltrable clay particles क्योंकि ये क्ले पार्टिकल्स फिल्टर के पोर साइज से छोटे होते हैं. क्ले पार्टिकल का जो साइज होगा फिल्टर के पोर साइज से छोटा होगा. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर नॉट फिल्टर्ड बाय फिल्टर पेपर. सो it will be regarded as colloids is unfiltrable clay particles and suspended particles is sand grains, calcium carbonate, calcium carbonate, piece of paper, So in this way we can categorize that water is a solvent, solute जो है हमारा salt है, colloids is unfiltrable clay particles and suspended particles or sand grains, calcium carbonate and piece of paper जो है आपके suspended particles हैं. So now we will take another example, that is it is now classify the following into compound, pure, and mixture. First is that marble. Second, air. Third, gold. Fourth, brass. Five, antimony. तो आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है which is pure and which is a mixture. 6, 8, smoke. Now marble is made up from calcium carbonate. मार्बल जो होता है कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट का बना हुआ, उसको क्या बोलेंगे? इट इज एन कंपाउंड. एयर इज अ होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर है, तो क्या बोलेंगे हम? मिक्सचर. और मिक्सचर में कौन सा मिक्सचर है? होमोजेनियस. नेक्स्ट, गोल्ड इज अ दैट इज AU एलिमेंट है तो क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे प्योर। ब्रास, ब्रास जो है ये क्या है मिक्सचर है। एंटीमनी it is an element that is pure, smoke that is mixture. So in this way we can conclude that these marble, air, gold, brass, antimony and smoke. How will you prove that fresh air fresh or clean air is mixture and not a compound Answer. How will you prove that clean air is a mixture and not a compound? Why? So air contain oxygen, nitrogen, CO2 and water vapor varying or varying over a period of time. That's why proportion is not fixed. That's why proportion is not fixed. और किसी का proportion अगर fixed नहीं होता है तो हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं मिक्सचर बोलते हैं। अगर proportion fixed होता तो हम बोलते it is a compound. Another topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.